Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So first of all, launch Instagram application, then simply go to your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, tap on the three lines option at the top right corner. Now once you come to settings and activity page, scroll down below. And over here, you'll see the option of media quality. Simply tap on it. Now over here, in my case, you can see that the toggle for upload at highest quality has already been turned on. Now, if in your case, if the toggle for use less cellular data has been turned on, simply turn off that toggle and turn on the toggle for upload at highest quality. So if you turn on that toggle, you will be able to enable auto scroll feature on your Instagram Reels. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to allow auto scroll on Instagram Reels. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.